Hi, this is Brian Hoyer with Shielded Healing. I'm here with Joel and Deanna. We're out in Magnolia neighborhood of Seattle, Washington, and they just got done shielding this room a few months ago, and so we wanted to take some readings of what it's like now that everything's shielded and grounded. So this right here is an electric field meter, and it measures your body voltage. So all the breakers are on in this room right now. You can see the lights on, that's why there's light shining down on me here. And, we don't have anything plugged in. So I test the wall, there's no change. I go over here, test this wall, no change. Test my body, we're down at 0. Okay? And that's really what you want. You want this to be below 30 on this meter when you sleep. And then there's this meter here, it's measuring millivolts. We're down at 4 millivolts on the multimeter right now. So that is a stellar improvement, and the breakers are on right now. So we have the T98 shielding paint on the walls, everything's grounded. We have GPA mesh underneath the carpeting, and that's grounding out any electric fields that would potentially be coming up through the floor. This is on a second floor building at their home. Alright, and then the other thing that the T98 paint does is it actually shields you from all the wireless around. So there's a bunch of wireless that's coming in. So for this demo, I'm going to step into the bathroom and then come back in here, and we're going to see what the change is. Okay? Okay. So we're in here, and this is measuring the body, so I'm going to get a nice reading here. So we're up over 2,000 microvolts, 2,100 microvolts. We're going to walk into the shielded room. And now it's below 20, below 30 microvolts. That's an amazing improvement. That's what we want to see for health recoveries. And I'm here with Deanna, and I asked her earlier, so have you noticed anything since you've been sleeping in this shielded space? And so I just wanted to ask you that again.
Yeah, so for about a year and a half due to stress, I was taking Tylenol PM every night to sleep, because if I wake up, then I don't go back to sleep, monkey brain, etc. And since we've done this to the room, I'm off Tylenol PM and I sleep, and if I do wake up, I can go right back to sleep.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's actually amazing, because you just don't want all that Tylenol in your system all the time.
Yeah.
So it's incredible to be able to sleep without having to be medicated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'd love to hear that. And this is kind of one of those situations where I kind of helped guide you guys through the process.
Yeah.
And everything, and it's kind of like you do it and you think you're doing it right, but then you don't know for sure.
Yes.
And so I come back and test after people have done this, and it's
It's actually really good news. So I did a lot. My husband travels a lot, so I did a lot of this on my own. We did hire a painter, but I did all of the taping for the grounding tape. My husband and I, we pulled back the carpet in this room and laid out all the mesh, and then kind of did the copper wire through the mesh. We grounded it ourselves to the plug. We didn't even hire an electrician to do that part. I changed out all the plugs in the house, so I'm familiar with that, so I wasn't too afraid of that. And then we hung the mesh in front of 2 doors that we have that are right near each other.
The Nova fabric there.
And so that's worked. Obviously, everything is working, so it's nice to get the final test that we did everything correctly and don't have to redo the room after we've moved in.
I love it. This is the type of results we like to see when people put the shielding in.
Yeah,
so
very happy.
I'm happy for you guys.
Yes,
That's awesome.
Sleep is awesome.
All right. Thanks. Visit my website, shieldedhealing.com.